Hello everyone, welcome to another daily stream. Today we are going to take again brief look over the markets, in particular over the crypto market, Bitcoin, Ethereum and some altcoins altogether. Let's start with the Bitcoin chart. You remember that yesterday I warned you that heavy volatility is due to happen on the market due to the result of the awaited inflation data came from USA that was above the expectations from 2.9% inflation. Actually, the inflation in the United States is increasing to 3%, which caused this heavy drop here, as you see. Actually happened again what we were expecting. We had these equal highs left here. Price consolidate a bit before the data release, then we had a manipulation to the upside that has taken the liquidity line above these equal highs, and then we had a sharp downtrend or downward move due to the bad inflation data. But what happened afterwards? So price managed to reclaim the range, basically due to the fact that United States President Donald Trump posted on his social media on Twitter that he has made a conversation with Russian President Vladimir Putin, and most likely they are starting the peace negotiations to end the war between the Ukraine and Russia. This naturally is very bullish news for the entire market, and we saw this heavy spike to the upside. You can see that yesterday was a very hard day if you had a positions, because this move liquidated all of the longs, and this move literally liquidated all the short traders that took their positions due to the bad economic data came earlier. So what is important now? Why we rejected right here? Because you can see we had an untested point of control from previous session here, from this day, from the previous day, and price couldn't make a high right here. So the price reached exactly the naked point of control, you can see, and now it is in constant downtrend since reaching this level. This level is also our local. If you draw a profile here, you can see that this is our profile, volume profile resistance level, and currently the price is trying to hold its support very low. So what can we say right now? If we zoom out a bit, we have discussed that we have our previous weekly high and previous weekly range also. I have removed the mid range due to make my chart clearer, but it's right here. Now we are below the mid range again, so we have to be careful. But if we draw a profile for all of this consolidation move, we can see that we are in important level for BTC right now, because I believe that if Bitcoin fails to hold this level, we are going to test, we are going to make even new low right here. We are going to test at least this next point of control here, and the yearly open will be most likely the next stop for Bitcoin. But if we lose this level, because this level is our golden pocket as well, you can see right here, and it's important level to hold for BTC. What alterations can we make on our chart? I think, let me clear a bit our chart to make it less noisy. This is our Monday range. Okay, now I don't think this range is trustable anymore, because it's played out, it took its high and it took its low. Also, we can remove this naked point of control. It's already tested, it's no longer naked. And let me remove our previous weekly equilibrium level also. Now we can take another range, local range. This is our intraday range, from the previous daily low to the previous daily high. So if we pull our levels, this is our new local range that I'm looking for today. And as we spoke already, this is our Monday low here. I'll just put it like just to remind me where it is. I really want to see this level holding. You see, we have literally kissed the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement golden level, and now I want to see this level to hold, because if we zoom in a bit, I am expecting something. Just a second. If we see something like that, this high is taken on 1 minute chart, I am expecting some corrective move to the upside, because on 1 minute and 5 minutes we can see that price is failing to close above the previous low. So right now I am looking for this move to happen, to make a break of structure locally on 1 minute chart, and I will be hunting a potential scalp long position to the upside. So you can see that price action is pretty choppy. You can see this consolidation here continues to chop, but it's important for the Bitcoin to hold this level, to make a higher low again after this higher low here yesterday, but it failed to make a higher high here. So right now we have to see a higher low forming again and higher high confirming shift in the trend, so we can expecting something like this to the upside, and at least test these levels we have talked about, 99, 100,000 levels, or even 102, 103. This is my view for the Bitcoin on a daily basis. I mean on intraday basis. Let's check what has happened with Ethereum. You remember this chart, I hope. We have held this level and we had our reversal from here. But you see, okay, I haven't drawn a straight line. Okay, let's remove this from our last stream. The price has left an equal high level right here. Also, the price reversed exactly from the golden pocket from this high here to this low here. Okay, I'm drawing it right now just to show you. You can see the price is retracing from here. I believe this channel is will be no longer in our use, so let's make some alterations on this chart as well. Let's clear it a bit, the things that are not useful anymore. This level is not also. I would mark my key low right here. This is also our previous daily low. This is our previous daily high, which is aligned with the equal high. It's not equal, sorry. This is not equilibrium zone, sorry, but it's equal high. So we have previous daily high, previous daily low. I hope that the price will hold this imbalance here, or this level here, previous weekly value area low, and previous daily value area low. Basically, we are hoping this level to hold again. So, what can we expect from Ethereum now? I still believe that if the price holds this level, on the next try, these highs will be taken, and most likely we are going to target at least this range high. If we fail to hold this level, most likely, and we get rejection and support resistance, and this support flips into resistance, next target will be most likely our marked area from our previous streams, which is around the golden pocket from this high to this high, from this low to this high, and it's also the 50% of the big gap, if you remember, on daily. Now I remember that I forgot to show you something important on Bitcoin. I will be showing right now. Here, this level is also, if we measure the wick, aligns with the 50% level of that wick. These are the two possible scenarios I am expecting on Ethereum right now. If I get back into the Bitcoin chart, let me find a clean one on daily. Here we see that if we draw from the top of the wick to the bottom of the wick, I will adjust it right now. You can see that we finally kissed that 50%, not kissed, but filled filled half of the gap of this wick. Okay, that's why we bounced heavily yesterday. This was also a reason, because as we mentioned, heavy wicks, big wicks like this gets filled at least to the 50% of this wick. We have a wick here, by the way, that hasn't get filled yet. And in bad scenario on the market, most likely if we drop below 94, 93.500, the next stop for the BTC will be around here, 91,700. Okay, this is for the BTC price. I don't remember what we take a look yesterday. Oh, I remember. One of the coins that actually is making a good move is SUI. You see, after we had this expectation right here, corrective move to the here, it wicked a bit lower, but and now we are having this move we are awaiting. I still expect SUI to reach at least $4 mark. I repeat it and I stand by my view. We'll see in the coming days if it happens or if it won't happen. Something else I can tell you is that today we have another important data coming from the USA. Again, after 1 hour and 15 minutes there will be reports for the producer price index, which also reflects on the market, especially on the indexes like SP 500 and Nasdaq. If we open as ESP 500 chart, you remember that yesterday on this move we talked about that if we change for a change in the structure, this local structure, we need to take this high here. We couldn't take it, but there's something also good in this locally, because this low here couldn't make a new low either, and now the price is compressing right here, and most likely due to the data today coming, it will break in one of the directions, creating meaning if the data is bad for the market, we are going for a new low and protecting this structure here. Or if we have a good data, most likely we'll end this downtrend, local downtrend here, and probably the price will start to climb. We'll see it. We'll check it tomorrow again and see it together. Okay guys, so on daily basis there isn't many things to repeat. This is everything from me for today. I wish you a good day and see you tomorrow for our last weekly stream. We'll check possibilities for the weekend and potential trades also. I wish you a successful day and